Welcome back. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to quickly and easily log out of the Temu app. Whether you're switching to another account, managing multiple profiles, or just need a break, this process is very simple. Stay tuned until the end of this video and follow my steps. First, open your Temu app on your Android or iPhone device. When you're on the main page, you will see a person icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on it. If you are logged into your account, your name should be at the very top, just like mine here. Now, tap on the gear icon in the top right corner of the screen to open the settings. Once you're on the settings page, you will see many different options related to your Temu app and account. Tap on the Sign Out option located at the bottom of the screen. The app will ask if you want to remember your login details so you don't have to enter them again if you wish to log in with the current account later. If you want to save the login details, tap on Remember. If not, tap on Not Now. After this step, a pop-up window will appear again where you need to tap on the Sign Out option, and that's it. Very easy and straightforward. If you liked this video, don't forget to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and see you very soon.